We can install the Kali Linux distribution with the ISO, or we can install it with the already installed virtual machine imager. These imagers are designed to be used by various VMware and Oracle VirtualBox virtualization programs, both 32-bit and 64-bit. Open your favorite web browser. Type Kali Linux in the search engine. Enter the download page. Click on Virtual Machines option. On this page, there are virtual computer image files ready for VMware and VirtualBox. Click on Kali Linux VirtualBox images. Click to download the Kali Linux VirtualBox 64-bit OVA image file to our computer. This process will take time depending on your internet speed. Add Kali Images VirtualBox. Click on the image file we downloaded earlier. Image file is downloaded with 7's extension. Extract the compressed file by right-clicking on it. You can use the extracted file either in the folder where it is located or by copying it into another folder. My recommendation would be to collect all virtual computers under a single folder. I use a folder called VMS on my computer, and I create all my virtual computers here. You can right-click on the image file and copy or move it with one of the copy or move options. Now, let's add our virtual computer to the VirtualBox menu. Open the VirtualBox program. Click the Add button. Click on Kali Linux VirtualBox images. Click on the image file. You will see that the virtual computer has been added to the VirtualBox menu. Start the virtual computer by clicking Start. Click the Add button. In the window that opens, navigate to the folder with the image file. Click on the file with the EveryBox extension. You can see that the Kali Linux virtual machine has been added. We can start the virtual computer with Start. The opening screen comes up. The username and password information is written in the description section of the virtual computer. Enter username, Kali, and password Kali, and the virtual computer is ready to be used.